Hey guys, Brendan here with BYOTools, aka BYOT. Thank you for joining me. And today, if you want to learn how to change your TV system from this to this, keep on watching. Let's get started. So as you can see, this is my TV as well as all the horrible cords that are just strewed about everywhere. Yeah, we really need to fix this. But first, I want a wall-mounted TV, so I purchased a wall-mounted TV bracket from Amazon, which I'll leave a link in the description box below. One of the most important tools to have in this project, as well as just in general, is a stud finder. And no, ladies and gents, that's not an app like Tinder, Bumble, Grindr, whatever you're using these days. This is actually a stud finder that will allow you to find studs behind drywall. Yes, the magical stud finder is quite key for this type of project. As a general side note, you want to make sure you pre-drill your holes. First and foremost, it's going to make it easier for you to actually install the bolts themselves because these things are pretty sizable due to the fact that it's holding a large item, but it will also make sure that you do not split the wood behind the wall. That weakens the frame, and let's be honest, no one likes cracked wood, right? No. Keep in mind that you will need a sizable drill bit when pre-drilling your holes. It needs to be slightly smaller than the actual bolt threads themselves, and that's just good practice, so FYI, and I think I'm full of helpful tidbits today, right? Yeah. Well, after that, just go ahead and slip on the TV and you're hung and you're done. Wait, no, this still doesn't look amazing. I still have a lot of cords strewed about. No, we can do better than this. Yes, we can do better. Which is why I bought this. This is a TV cable organizing kit which allows you to run wires behind your wall so you can't see them at all, which is perfect for applications such as this. This one kit comes with a number of different things, which is great because it gives you a box to actually plug your TV in as well as a cord to run down to the plug below. Now the plug below has electrical wires as well as a cover on the back side for safety precaution. And of course an extension wire from outlet to plug-in. Now one of the nice things about this kit is that it actually has template directions, so you're not playing a guessing game on how big you have to cut a hole out of your wall, because sometimes that's not fun and sometimes people can't count correctly. And that's including myself. I mean, come on, we've all made mistakes, yes. So I placed a template right behind the TV where I know it'll be a good location for the TV to be plugged into, as well as making sure that the TV covers the box itself. Now note to self, make sure you check stud placement locations before penetrating your wall, because inevitably I did that actually after I drew my box, and guess what? There was a stud right there, look, right there. Yeah, luckily for me I did that before I started cutting, and I was able to actually salvage this whole situation. Now once you have your box layout actually correct, go ahead and proceed in grabbing your drywall saw, sawing off all four corners, and voila, you actually have a hole. And if you're lucky, you have insulation. Yeah, some of us are not so lucky and you realize, oh yeah, that's why my house is freezing. It's because the exterior walls don't have any insulation. Yeah, but luckily enough for us, we do. The next step is to be placing the secondary box where the electrical is actually coming through. I actually took the height of the outlet adjacent to the box and measured that to the wall itself, just making sure everything is lining up correctly. Then I proceed to, of course, marking out the space, then using my drywall saw, cutting the opening, and voila. Next step completed. Next step is going to feed the electrical wire that comes with the kit down to the secondary box. Should be simple enough, especially with the fact that this kit comes with excess material, and just making sure that the boxes line up correctly is, well, I'm not going to say key, but it makes it easier. How about that? Yeah. I then grab my wire strippers and remove the excess wiring as well as the wire casing on the positive and negative side. Once that step is completed, I then proceed to installing my top outlet box. Now all you have to do is make sure that the fasteners are past the drywall, then use your screw gun to fasten the drywall to the box itself, making sure it's nice and taut. Yes, taut. I like the word taut, but I don't really use it very often. Actually, in all reality, it doesn't really apply in this application since taut means to pull tight. Yeah, well, in any case, taut should be used more often. Now once you have your top box fully installed, proceed to taking the actual electrical wire, feeding it through the protective casing, and then plug it and snap it into place with the other 3 wire connections. Now these are quick snap wire connections, which make it very easy and simplistic to connect, so you don't even need wire caps, which is perfect. Once you have all the electrical fully connected, go ahead and proceed in installing the box the same way that we installed the one above it. Now, once you have that fully installed, then all you have to do is plug it in, and boom, done. Well, almost done. If you do want to tidy up those last few bit of cords, I would suggest grabbing some zip ties, some hot glue, and some silicone, just in case. And yes, I do know those are somewhat odd items to use in this type of application, but I have a Roku and still a DVD player that I want to utilize and actually attach on the back side of the TV. Now, it might not be the cleanest look, and it might not be the most professional look, but guess what? It works, and it works perfectly. Now, as a quick side note, I do suggest using some silicone and some hot glue if you do utilize this type of application, because hot glue will inevitably stick quick and easy, but silicone will last. And as you can see, the first go around with the Roku did not adhere as well as I would like it to. So making sure and actually putting a little silicone on will give it strength, but the hot glue will allow it to fasten immediately to the back of the TV. And look at that, the DVD player actually still works even on its side. Yeah, that's kind of an important one. Now, if you do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the fact that your TV has no cords whatsoever that are actually visible. It's much nicer than what was there originally, I must say so myself. And it needs a little bit more color, so Brent put up a few of his very own pieces of artwork. I must say that is one beautiful, sexy beast of a TV system. Much better. And of course, you have to actually check out and visually see that it actually works, and why not go to YouTube? Yeah, let's check out some videos. And there I have it, episode number 40. Yes, the big 4-0 of BYOT done. It's pretty incredible, and I want to say a special thank you to all the viewers out there. We hit over 2 million views on BYOT this month, so thank you all so much for your support. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, please subscribe to this channel, and please check out my Instagram feed. I post there weekly, if not daily. In any case, thank you for your time, and catch you next time. Hey guys, as a quick special outtake, I wanted to say in a previous life, Brent was actually an artist, yes, a spray paint artist. And I wanted to know from you guys whether or not you would be interested in me teaching any type of artwork. Not really the basis of my channel, but I wanted to actually mention it due to the fact that this is part of my life and a skill that I had that some people may actually appreciate. So please let me know in the comments below. Oh, and trust me, it's not all going to be Seattle based. Trust me.